Hi guys, today we are playing Launch a Boat. Abby is not with me here today, unfortunately. But we're going to see how far our little boat can make it, because I am not very good at this game. I don't have a lot of blocks. So yeah. It's gonna walk a little. Okay. Get that there. That there. Okay, and then we're just gonna build these up like one. That was very dumb. That looks like an A something. I'm gonna just place it here, I guess. My other one like here. I'm making a masterpiece, okay? Okay, beautiful. Okay, we can just fill these little spaces up. The seats, the key. They're turning around for us. Okay. More blocks. Don't worry, we have another one. Okay, then we just gotta get this little thing. Gotta get our chests. Actually, I think makes it the boat heavier, but like, I don't care. Wait. Do I have a seat? Yes, I think I do have a seat. Any more pillars? Yes. Here, okay. We're gonna get my boat. I mean my chair. Okay, so we're just gonna launch now. Yes, I want to launch my. Oh my word. Okay, bye bye chest. It's already gone. It's okay. Please, oh my word. I'm already dying, people. Dying. Like, bro. Okay, let's see. Okay, turn. Turn. Yes. So we're just going to. Ooh, no. Okay, let's see update. Like, I never knew you could steer like this. I didn't know if it was updated, but like, I never knew you could do this. Frickety. Okay. So far, what is that? What is this? Wait, what? I think it's a boat. That's very weird. On to the next stage. I'm pretty good at this game, if I can say so myself. Okay. Hallelujah, I like this. I think this is the nicest one. Like, it's so naturey, and I love the butterflies that they actually move. How does somebody cooperate a game like this like so good? Oh, frickety. I'm just gonna stay on the line. So it's like, I'm just gonna say that's the safest, but I think it's not the most dangerous. Okay, so, the frick, bro. Ooh, the bricky, yo. It's starting to get confusing. I don't like this level. It is not nice. Okay, we're just gonna go. Okay. No. Okay, guys, I have almost nothing left on my boat. Okay. It's my jeez. Okay, so we're dead. Okay, how much did I get? Oh my word, I got like so much. Thanks. Okay, so now with the gold we've got, let's get like more. When you do like more chests, I always get the common one because like there's more stuff that I would actually use. But sometimes I treat myself and not get that one, I get this one. Oh, cereal. Never got a steering wheel. Okay, let's just buy the commons now with the rest of our money. I'm getting a lot of duplicates. I hate it when I get duplicates like in any game. Adopt Me, this game. Actually, game that I can think of that I've gotten duplicates of. No, real high. Real high. But then I lost my old account, so I don't know if that counts. It's a sad truth, people. It's a sad, sad, sad truth. Okay, so I'm gonna open my boss box quickly. Oh wait, I can open another box. Oh wait, I did not do that. Like, okay, let's go. Okay, so now we're done with this because I don't have any more money. Okay, so we're just okay. So we've got so many blocks. Gonna do that. Let me just go to my box. Okay, wow, we've got a lot of these now. So we're gonna make it quite big. Now that I have all of these. Okay, so now I have successfully, finally, made an inside. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and that, and that. It's actually all I can do. And I'm just gonna fix the seats because, like, what happens if my other seat falls off, you know? Okay, I'm gonna get the steering wheel. And I'm gonna get this stuff back to make it actually bigger. Just put a few under here because we need to fill the space, people. Okay, we got our. Okay, wait, it only seats up. I have some more seats because like most of them are in the front and I need some here too. Okay. I can never make a fancy ship because like I'm sort of material, like material girl. Just ease like that. Like I'm bored and I do not need to do it. Okay, I'm just gonna place some chests at the back, I guess. So I have a few chests. I can tell you guys that. Oh, frickety. That is on top of one of my seats. I cannot have that. Okay, that. Someone on this one yet? Nope. Okay. This we gotta use our pillars, people. We're gonna use them in the front. Look right here. Okay, you know what? I like this. So I'm gonna just be done with it, cause like, okay, we're gonna launch the boat, and if we die now, the video's over. So we're just going to, oh, wait, which way are we heading? Okay, we headed this way. Goodbye, kids! I will not miss you. It's raining. It's falling. The old man is not boring. My grandfather was an old man. Yes, you heard me. He's in heaven now, so he's a heavenly old person. I feel like there's so much weight at the front, and like only road, and like so much less weight at the back. Okay, I'm definitely taking that as a note. Do not put a lot of weight in the front, and do not put less lady. This is not going much smoother than my last time. Maybe I should try to make my boots a little small. Most of my front seats are already gone, as you guys can see. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, so this one is, I like this one. It's not very, it's not like the one that I'm getting to now. Like, it's not like hammers throwing in the air and then a candy train that's like, I don't know. Or the cinemas. The cinemas are really chaotic. If you're looking at this now. Flickety, flickety, flickety. Why? I hate this show. I will never watch it. Please knock me over. Yes, knock me up. Okay, so we're gonna. Okay, we're gonna. It's as if you try to steer in this one, like you'll automatically. Oh my word! My butt. I love how my butt is just flipping around. I could have like easily around a lot. Anyways, wait. Pause. Anyways, so bye guys. Have an amazing day, night, or afternoon. That is all for this video. Bye.